everybody. My name is Sandy. My class name is KG Senior. My school name is Banbury. Today I will tell you about water poem. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it. See a lovely plants from it. Wash your dirty clothes in it. Clean utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit. Looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Sandhya Doof. My class name is KG Senior. My school name is Banbury Cross. Today I will recite the poem Water. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it, see a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes in it, clean all your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Miss Amgagwai. I study in Banbury School. I recite the poem Water, 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 water everywhere. Waste no water anywhere. And throw a seed and water it. See a lovely plant for it.
Wash your
dirty clothes and it.
clean all
Clean all your utensils with it.
take a bath
Take a bath and you can sit
looking
looking cheerful, bright and fit.
Hello everybody, my name is Shaurya Pandey. I study in class KG Senior. The name of my school is Banbury Cross School. Today I will recite a poem Water. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it, see a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes with it, clean your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you.
My name is Risha. I study like a sky. My class is kitchen. Water wise, water everywhere. Waste no water anywhere. So is sea and water each. See a lovely plant from each. Wash your dirty clothes in it. Clean all new utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit. You can cheerful, right and fat. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am Tanishka Srivastava. My class is KG Senior. I study in Banbury Class School. Today I will tell you poem of water. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. So wash it and water it, see a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes in it, clean all your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Aradhya Gautam. I study in class KD Senior. My school name is Banbury Cross. Today I will tell you about poem Water. Water, water anywhere, waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it. See a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes with it. Clean all your utensils from it. Take a bath and you can sit looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan of class KG Senior. My school name is Banbury Cross School. I will tell you poem Water, water everywhere. Never is the water anywhere. So the sea and water it. See a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes with it. Clean your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit. Cheerful, bright and fit. Bye. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Del Bhargav. I study in Banbury School and I am a student of class KG senior. Today, I'll recite the poem of water. Water, water everywhere, waste no water anywhere. Sow a seed and water it, see a lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes with it, clean all your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit, looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Karan Vishwas, studying KG senior in Banbury School. Today I will recite a water poem. Water, water everywhere, with no water anywhere. To wash it and water it, the lovely plant from it. Wash your dirty clothes in it. Wash your utensils with it. Take a bath and you can sit, looking cheerful, bright and fit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, Mama. I am Bhavya Gupta of class KG senior. Today I will tell you about water, 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 water everyone, waste no water anyone, and she can water it. So a lovely plant from it. You can wash your dirty clothes in it. Clean all utensils from it. Take a bath and you can sit, looking cheerful, bright and fit. Have a nice day, Mom. Thank you.